Yo, you good? What the f is that? That's so bad, man. That's so bad. That's so bad. Oh my god. Is this my whip? Oh my god. You f***ing idiot.
Oh my god.
Holy.
Going negative, especially in politics and business, is not necessarily a good thing. Now, I know there's a time and place for it. Sure. Maybe it's between the two parties after the vote this month, right? And there'll be some need for that to point out.
There's nowhere to go and no one else to know. Just watching darkness wave hello.
What up? Michigan's Eva under fire are on tour right now with 5.
Yo!
They're playing
Idiot!
Montreal, Canada, and I want to stop
Jesus Christ!
Big shout out to a lovely.
Hector, you don't speak English.
Octane Headbangers Happy Hour this past.
Oh, look how beautiful. Oh. Oh my god, is he doing it again?
God damn it! What the hell? For the day.
That extra idiot! 218 QC2. We definitely download that when we get home. You could see it coming through the fruit thing. Where the f that can't come? Just dribbled into the miles. Good gosh. Good maneuver. Is that an old mattress? Yep.
Where do you go, my lovely? Where do you go?
Traffic. What the hell?
So they want you to go pick it up?
Yeah, because sometimes I don't want. Oh. What the? Because green, man. Right here, man. That was green over there, man. Oh, what the Jesus. No. Whoa. Oh my god. What the fuck? What is going on? Oh my god, what the hell is this? What is this? They're going insane. They just hit both of us. Yeah.
What are you saying?
Showing the button, I give you. Okay, thanks.
These people are.
I can hear them
What the?
Power after money after power. What? Minute after minute, hour after hour. Everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can.
Bruh, this person's. Why have you stopped there? No one is going to be able to get through. Wait, actually, I'm going to have to reverse. Now I think about this. Wait, this person's actually not gonna, like, wait, why aren't they reversing? Why aren't they reversing? What is this? Finally they're reversing. Okay. That was so intelligent.
Why is it up over?
If I lay here,
Oh, you stupid idiot!
Richard, mate.
That's one for Tony.
Oh my god.
made the whole building shake, dude.